Hi everyone, I am Dr. Sachin V. Bangale, working as an assistant professor, Department of Chemistry, GM Vedak College of Science, Tala. Now I am teach the chemistry of non-aqueous solvents. Content of the today's lecture: basic introductions, classification of solvents, types of non-aqueous solvent. Firstly, we discuss the chemistry of non-aqueous solvents, introductions about the non-aqueous solvent. An inorganic non-aqueous solvent is a solvent other than water that is not a organic compound. These solvents are used in the chemical research and industry for reaction that cannot occur in aqueous solution or require special environments. The solvent is a liquid, solid, or a gas that dissolve another solid, liquid, or gaseous solute, resulting into a solution. Most of the chemical reaction takes place in solution, although many inorganic reaction takes place in aqueous solution. It is not always suitable to use water as a solvent. Some reagents may react with water and non-polar molecules are insoluble in water. The use of solvents other than water is commonplace, and common organic solvents include dichloromethane, hexane, toluene, and ethers such as diethyl ether, tetrahydrofuran, and these solvents are of significant use. In addition, there are solvents such as liquid ammonia, liquid sulfur dioxide, H2SO4, BRF3, and supercritical fluids and ionic liquids. Solvents which are used in non-aqueous titrations are called non-aqueous solvents. These are the basic informations of the chemistry of non-aqueous solvents. Then next points: classification of solvents. Classification of solvent based on proton. Classification of solvent based on polar and non-polar solvents. Classification of solvents as aqueous and non-aqueous solvent. The types of non-aqueous solvent, protonic and non-protonic solvents. Here, the solvents from which protons can be derived are called protonic solvents. Examples: water, sulfuric acid. The solvents from which protons cannot be derived are called non-protonic solvents. And examples of the non-protonic solvents here: the liquid sulfur dioxide, benzene, chloroform. Then protonic solvents. The definition of the protonic solvents here: the protonic solvents, which are also called as protonic solvents, are polar solvents which undergoes autoionization to give solvated proton. What is an autoionization reaction? The molecular autoionization or self-ionization is a reaction between molecules of the same substance to produce ion. If a pure liquid partially dissociates into ions, it is said to be self-ionizing. In most cases, the oxidation number of on all atoms in such a reaction remains unchanged. For examples of the autoionization, here these are the water molecule, two water molecules, and here to form the hydronium ion and loss of OH minus ions. Then similarly example ammonia, here 2 moles of the ammonia, then to form here the NH4 plus ions and loss of NH2 minus. Then another examples of the autoionization reaction, here CH3COOH plus CH3COOH, it gives CH3COOH twice plus CH3COO minus. And here last examples of these protonic solvents are HF plus HF, it gives H2F plus F minus. This is an examples of the autoionization reaction. Then aprotic solvents. Aprotic solvents, which are also called as non-protonic solvents, are those solvents which neither donates nor accept proton. The examples of the protonic solvents are carbon tetrachloride, SO2, dinitrogen tetroxide. Here, in terms of protophilic characters of the solvents, solvents can be classified as acidic solvent, basic solvent, amphoprotonic solvents, aprotic solvent. Here acidic solvents are solvents having a strong tendency to donate proton. Examples of the acidic solvents here HF, here H plus F minus. Another examples of the acidic solvents CH3COOH H plus CH3COO minus. Then basic solvents. The definition of the basic solvents are solvents having a strong tendency to accept proton. The examples of the basic solvents NH3 plus H plus, here the accept proton to form NH4 plus. This is an examples of the basic solvent. The next points, amphoprotonic or amphoteric solvents. The amphoprotonic or amphoteric solvents are those solvents which can function a proton donor acid as well as proton acceptor base. Water and lower alcohols like methanol and ethanols are amphoprotonic solvents. Acidic and basic properties are clearly in the following equation. Here in this equation, H2O, it gives the ionization H plus OH minus, the acidic H2O plus H plus H3O plus. Here the condition is the basic. Then another examples of the amphoprotonic solvents, methanol, that is the molecular formula of the methanol is CH3OH. It gives CH3O minus H plus. Here the acidic, and CH3OH H plus. Here CH3OH twice, the basic. This is an examples of the amphoprotonic solvent. Then aprotic solvents. Aprotic solvents are solvents that are inert to proton transfer. Further classification of aprotic solvents can be as follows: non-polar and non-solvating solvents. Examples: benzene and carbon tetrachloride. Polar and coordinating solvents. Examples of this: acetonitrile, dimethyl sulfoxide. Then polar atoionizing solvents. Examples: BF3, SO2 and dinitrogen tetroxide. In terms of polarity, solvents can be classified as ionizing and non-ionizing solvents. Here the ionizing solvents are those solvents which bring out the ionizations of the solutes to a larger extent. Polar solvents is a polar solvents with ionization. They have light dipole moments and dielectric constant. Examples of the ionizing solvents are water, liquid hydrogen fluoride, liquid sulfur dioxide, liquid hydrogen cyanides are the ionizing solvents. They bring about the ionizations of ionic polar solute to a greater extent and are the most suitable solvents for them. The atoionizations of the solvents can be shown as the following equation. Here H2O plus H2O, it gives H3O plus OH minus. Then another examples of these ionizing solvents is the atoionization. Here NH3 plus NH3, it gives NH3 plus NH2 minus. Then next example, SCN plus SCN, it gives the atoionization, it gives H2CN plus CN minus. And last examples here, HF plus HF, it gives H2O F and F minus. This is an examples of the ionizing solvent. The non-ionizing solvents. Non-ionizing solvents are practically non-polar with low dipole moments and dielectric constant. Hence, the ionic solutes do not undergo ionization in such solvent, and therefore they are not found to be suitable solvent for ionic solute. However, the covalent non-polar solute perfectly dissolve in, then as like dissolve like. Examples of the non-ionizing solvents benzene and carbon tetrachloride. Thank you very much.